Our funnel get around 45% opt-in rate. They give their name, phone number, and email address in return, giving you the complete access to our entire Snapshot vault. With the same business model, we're able to grow our business to a 40K a month on Stripe and a couple of $1,000 through bank transfer. If you are a coach, consultant, trainer, speaker, or influencer who looking to get GoHighLevel into your business, this video might be just for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we implement GoHighLevel into our coaching business. I'm going to show you the exact mind map, workflow, and funnel of our coaching business so you can implement the exact same thing into your business right now. And if you stick until the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get your hand onto that template with just one click. Let's just jump to our computer screen here, guys. I have made this mind map. I don't know about you guys, but I'm more like a visual learner. I like to explain and then see stuff through a either a diagram or workflow. So this has really helped me and my team to get understanding of what's going on into our coaching business in high level. So the first thing that we start off, guys, is to have a two-step funnel. It's a really simple funnel with 2 pages. The number 1 page is an opt-in. This is where you request their typically the email or their phone number. And then we have a VSL page, right? And if you're new here, VSL stands for Video Sales Letter. This is typically a 7 to 15 minute video, really just showcase your story, your background, what you do, how you get to where you at, and how you can potentially offer value to your audience if they decide to take action on this page. As you can see here, guys, is that before we even start making this video, we want to make sure that our funnel is really at its best. And we've been optimizing and adjusting it for months now, and now we'll feel like it's at a point based on data and stat that we're ready to share. I mean, our funnel get around 45% opt-in rate. That means if 100 people visit that page, around 45 people would opt in, meaning that they give their name, phone number, and email address in return. And this is actually a very good score given that we actually asked them for 3 data points, which is phone number, name, and email address. After they come into the VSL page, they watch the video, they read the page, they look at your testimonial. The funnel actually separate them into 2 groups, right? We're gonna name them the took to action groups or the not taking action group, right? And then our funnel will separate those 2 people into 2 groups and put them into a nurturing workflow separately based on the action that they take, right? So we're gonna start off with not taking action. As you can see here, if our funnel is at 45% opt-in rate, so that means 55% is not action. What we do is that we're gonna set them up with an email and SMS campaign that drives them back to watch that video and read that page. And you would be surprised how many people actually opt in and take action later on SMS and email. In reality, guys, when people watch a video, they're gonna get distracted by the next cat video on Facebook or their baby crying or their dog barking. So they might not take action right then and there. But if you have a good email and SMS follow-up nurture sequence, they're gonna take action later on. And we can see that based on our stat. You can see here, our first email actually get a 54% open rate with 20% click-through rate. So that's actually very high, that when people watch the video, they just leave it, they're not taking any action, and then after that they open the email, they read it, and then they take action afterward. And you can see here that the second email is not that much different at a 50% open rate and 14% click-through rate. So again, even before making this video, we were just making sure that our email and our SMS template is at a point where we actually ready to share with you guys. Let's move on to the group where they actually take action right then and there on the VSL. So what we do is that we have a separate email and SMS sequence. We like to call that a welcome email. Pretty much if you ask them to take an action, normally book a call or buy a product or join a community, you normally have that call to action link in your welcome email and actually tell them the next action step that they can take to move forward into your sales process. So we pretty much have a welcome email access grant. We actually have a free course, so they get grant into the free course. That's including the login and the email and the password. And then they're going up to a further email nurturing, getting to know our brand, our team, our story, And then we have a potential upsell product into our email sequence as well. As you can see here, the entire workflow is pretty much very simple. We'll make it intentionally like that to make sure that it's easy to understand and easy to set up into your business. So let's actually show you guys what's the actual funnel and stuff look like. So the first thing to do after download the snapshot, guys, is to navigate to site. Under funnel, you can see that will give you 3 different funnel, and you just have a look and open it and actually adjust it to your liking. But this is the funnel that I was referring to. This is the VSL funnel, which stands for, again, video sales letter. And this is the one with the 45% opt-in rate, right? So you can see here in the first page, we have a very simple, like just a headline and a call to action. Let me just open that and just show you guys right now. So we have a simple headline, a simple hook, and we're obviously running ad to it. And then when they click on it, and the pop-up will appear, just asking them where can we send the course. This is what I learned. Instead of put your email below, which just said where should I send my course, it just make more sense and increase that conversion rate. And after they put in the email and phone number, they go into the second page, which have way more detail, way more testimonial. So we're on the second page right now. As you can see here, it way more built out, way more design, way more color, way more vibrant, just to show people exactly what they're getting. And just a little bit of story about myself, my own personal transformation and how I help other people transform as well. And a little bit of social proof there, and also the brand that we work with. And really, just pretty much that's it. But if you scroll up way to the top, there's a video. This is what I mean, the video sales letter, right? And if you actually have access to this funnel, you're able to view that video and actually get the script from it and actually model that video yourself for your offer or your coaching agency. That's it for the funnel. I want to navigate back to automation under workflow. This is going to be all of the workflow that we're going to give you inside the snapshot, okay? So I'm going to start with the second one that called calendar. Obviously, that's just appointment reminder and no-show and all that stuff. And then we have our coaching email sequence that obviously you have to go in there and just change the pricing. And then the fourth one is just some of our coaching email nurturing. Obviously you have to go in there and change the wording, I guess, change the offer and all that stuff, but at least it gives you a template and a blueprint into what we're doing. And then the first and the second folder is where we actually have workflow that mentioned in the mind map. The course sign up, so right, this is when people sign up for the free course. So if you look in here, the course sign up is pretty much this the sequence that lead, really the sequence in here is pushing people back to watch the VSL, right? So let me just go back to this, okay? So course sign up, you can see here, this is the SMS and email nurture sequence. So we have email 1, email 2, SMS 1, SMS 2, and it actually go on for quite a while. I think it will last for 2 entire weeks, around 14 days until they finish this sequence. And then you have some other automation, which is more like tagging people and just, you know, showing who is good and who is bad. The next workflow is our customer signups. In this mind map is the part where people take action, right? So this is going to be the welcome email, right? So yeah, what that means is that we're gonna have a welcome email here. You know, obviously you have to go in here and change that to match your organization and match your products and match your offer. But at least this will give you a good template to bounce off with, instead of using random ChatGPT stuff, right? So yeah, this is our email, pretty much just really access to everything that we promised them in the page, okay? If you get a 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel using our referral link below, it's actually completely free. And if you already have GoHighLevel, you also can use the link below to upgrade. That will also qualify you to get your hand onto the snapshot. And again, if you're new here, snapshot is a copy of the entire workflow and the entire funnel that you just see here, which just provide you a link. And once you click that link, you will immediately get everything that you see into your account with just one click. And for those of you who actually cannot upgrade and already have a GoHighLevel account, we have an elite program. Check out the link in the description saying join the elite mastermind. This is where we actually giving you the complete access to our entire snapshot vault. This is where you actually have direct access to me and my team, where we're going to come in and help you scale your SaaS business to 10K or 20K per month in recurring revenue. So this is it, guys. It's Vico Kang here, your very own GoHighLevel Ninja. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.